Welcome to Silver State Smiles, where exceptional dental care is made simple, comfortable, and personal. From toddlers to grandparents, our team is here to care for every smile, with heart, skill, and a gentle touch. With experienced doctors, clear communication, and personalized treatment plans, we take the time to understand your goals and make every visit feel easy. Whether you need preventive care, cosmetic dentistry, restorative treatment, implants, Invisalign, or emergency dental care, we provide comprehensive solutions under one roof. Our offices are designed with advanced technology, modern equipment, and a comfortable environment to help you feel confident from the moment you walk in. With multiple locations, quality dental care is always close to home. Book your visit today and take the first step toward a healthier, more confident smile with Silver State Smiles.